How to send a PDF from WhatsApp to email on iPhone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and find the chat containing the PDF file. Press and hold the PDF file. From the menu, tap Forward. Next, tap the Share icon in the bottom right corner. A list of sharing options will appear. Scroll through the apps and select your email app, such as Gmail or Mail. Once your email app opens, enter the recipient's email address. Add a subject and write your message if needed. The PDF will appear as an attachment in the email. Finally, tap Send in the top right corner. Your PDF file will now be sent from WhatsApp to the selected email address. And that's it. That's how you can easily send a PDF from WhatsApp to email on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful WhatsApp and iPhone tutorials.